Welcome, everybody. I'm so happy to see everybody here. I'm not a troublemaker, really. I had an entire team helping out, and I want to thank them, each and everyone, for doing a great job. And I invite everybody to enjoy Cluj, enjoy the 3 days of the conference, of course, the party tonight, and whatever you need, we are around helping out with anything. So, before moving on to the administrative side, I want to thank our lovely sponsors, cPanel, our all-star sponsors, then Booking.com, any representatives here, Amazon, our rockstar sponsors, Capside, Pearl6, Alligo Recruitment, Pearl Careers, EasyName, Mion, Active State, Good Data, the YAPC Europe Foundation, of course, and Etiquette partner AG. And Pearl Academy, sorry. Hope I haven't missed anyone. Well done, everybody. Thank you for contributing. Then, huge thanks to the 3 persons that accepted to be keynote speakers here today and tomorrow and the day after. Larry Wall, huge applause. Curtis Poe, and Sawyer. Many thanks. Now the administrative side. We're starting immediately with Curtis Poe. And I want to let you all know that during lunch breaks and coffee breaks, coffee will be available downstairs and tea for everybody. And cookies and the refreshments will be all upstairs, of course, food included, during lunch break. So you won't need to leave the site to get food. All right, basically that should be it. Curtis Poe is up in 5 minutes, but not before revealing the next year's venue. Come on, Andrew.
Hi, I'm Andrew. This is Thomas, Dom. Basically, you know that every year YAPC comes to a new city. Sometimes it repeats, but still the general idea is just to move around Europe. And how it works, the group of Pearlmongers who wants to organize a conference, they submit a proposal somewhere in April, I think. And then the YAPC Europe Foundation decides which city wins. This year there were 2 proposals, one from Amsterdam and one from Salzburg.
Yeah, so of course both proposals were great, and the YAPC Venue Committee inspected them, voted them, and we already have a decision which we want to show you now, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, and the winner is YAPC goes to. Hey, Amsterdam. I think the main organizer is Theo.
Yeah. Whoa! Hey. Thank you. Well, that was a very exciting time the last couple of months. Actually, we started long time ago together with some other people from our main sponsor, Booking, and we decided, no, we can't do that. It's too big, it's too complicated. But anyways, I'm very happy that we made it. By the way, Amalia, I have something taken with me from Holland. One for everybody, I think. For the whole team, you had tulips that won't die. They will at least last for a whole year. You can look forward with your whole entire team. Thank you for organizing this. And I will see you next year in Amsterdam.
Good luck with next year.
Oh, you forgot something. Oh, yes. Wendy, she always has presents with you.
Anybody who...
Here, you can do it with mine.
Anybody who has been in the Netherlands will recognize this logo. It's the logo of the biggest supermarket chain in the Netherlands. And they're using Perl as well. All their cash registers are Linux computers with Perl on it. It's supposed to be a secret. In it is the thing that everybody connects with the Netherlands. Dutch cheese.
Sweet.
So, 10 types of Dutch cheese. There's cow's cheese, there's cheap cheese, and there's goat's cheese. So, enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
There you are.
A couple more words. In the badges, you will find a schedule. Besides the name tags, badges, schedule will be also available on IRC. Hobbs was kind enough to add a bot to announce the schedule every 1 hour. And also the guys at Infinity Interactive did an awesome job with a YAPC Europe application for scheduling. You can check it out online. The application is available on both iOS and Android devices. Feel free to download it and see real-time changes in case they happen. There might be the usual room swaps due to number of attendees. All right, also in the badge, we have included the Wi-Fi information, which you will need to connect. There are 2 separate networks for speakers and the general network. Please, please, please let the speakers use their network. They will need it, most probably. And the rest of us should use the general network. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Just one more thing. If you look on the schedule on the website, you have those 3 columns you generally have. Just so you know, Aula Iuliu Hatzieganu, the main room is this one. Amphitheatru Teodor Goina, it's the other room at the ground floor, and when you exit this one, it's on your left. And right above it, at the first floor, is the room in the 3rd column. Yeah, so you know on the schedule, but the names of the rooms are also on the doors and on the walls, and you can see which room, how it's called. Also, on your way upstairs, the stairs will be in that corner. Next to the coffee booth, yes. You will see the electric cable for the coffee taped to the ground. Please be careful not to ruin it because you won't have coffee anymore. And yes, everything will be in the breaks upstairs. You also have tables and a small lounge there if you just want to sit and chill and do whatever you need. And I guess that's pretty much it.
Yes, we'll be starting with Curtis, not before our Geoffrey Avery.
Could you two each hold one of these?
Of course.
It's time for the announcement about lightning talks. We've got them all 3 days. Today's schedule is full. Tomorrow and the next day are not. So you still have time to submit your lightning talks. A few technical things about them. The speakers will be sitting in the front row. Anybody who's not a speaker should not be in the front row during the lightning talks. Make sure you come up and try your machine on this connection and that screen before we get started. We only have a 10-minute break between the regular sessions and the lightning talks. It's not a whole cookie break this time. We want to start as quick as possible. Because of that, only having 10 minutes, and I know it's going to take a little long, we're going to buy some time with an auction. Today's items: the organizer shirt from YAPC in Orlando, which has been rebranded the Pearl Conference. That is an extra large, and a women's extra large, which doesn't have buttons. They will be out front where the troublemaker can take care of them during the day if you need to come inspect the merchandise. Lightning talks, remember, it's 5 minutes. I've got a gong, and I'm not afraid to use it. In between the lightning talks, we have lightning advertisements. You get about 30 seconds to fill the gap between them fiddling with their computers. If you'd like to do one, you don't have to sign up. Just come up, and in the second row over there, the first 5 seats or so that are easy to get out of, just sit in one of those, and this microphone will be on that side of the room, get up, say what you got to say, and then go back to wherever you came from so someone else can have your seat. And for the talks, we have some flexibility in the schedule. If you look at today's schedule, you might notice one talk has a speaker and a vague topic. We have another talk that has a topic, but a vague speaker. They have chosen to remain anonymous until game time. So be here to find out who. And I think that should be it. So if you are a lightning speaker, do come see me sometime during the day. Let me know you're here and ready to go. Thank you.